In the previous class, we had studied about the chapters. So now we will do the question, answer, and short question. First of all, number A, page number 27. Number A, fill in the blanks. Microorganisms can be divided into 5 major groups. Microorganisms can only be seen and photographed with the help of a microscope. Microorganisms which require oxygen for respiration are known as aerobic. Depending upon the food supply, microorganisms can be saprophytic, parasitic, photosynthetic. Number 5, yeast is used for making bread. Number 6, bacteria present in curd is called lactobacillus. Number 7, penicillin is an antibiotic. Number 8, diseases that can spread from one person to another are called communicable disease. Number 9, milk and water are often boiled to kill any harmful microorganisms present in them. Number 10, salt and sugar add flavor to substance and also create an environment where microbial growth is not possible. Number B, write true or false. Yeast is a protozoan. False. Nitrogen fixation done by rhizobium bacteria. True. Warm and moist conditions are not suitable for the growth of microbes. False. Vaccine contain weakened or disease causing microbes. True. Some mosquito and flies are carriers of disease causing microbes. True. Number C, match the following. Alexander Fleming, penicillin. Mosquito, malaria. Algae, photosynthesis. Protozoan, amoeba. Sodium benzoate, food preservative. Tick the correct answer. Yeast and molds are examples of fungi. Conversion of milk to curd is done by bacteria. Production of alcoholic beverages involves fermentation. Food spoilage can be detected by both A and B, foul odor and surface discoloration. Food preservation can be done by all of these: boiling, freezing, pasteurization. Next is give 2 examples each. Bacteria, Coccus, Bacillus. Protozoa, Amoeba, Euglena. Fungi, mushroom, yeast. Algae, Chlorella, diatoms. Virus, tobacco mosaic virus, coronavirus. You can write any other examples also. Answer the following in few words. Name the bacteria that helps in setting curd. Lactobacillus. Which microorganism is commonly used in baking industry? Yeast. Name this is 2, not 2, this is 2 microorganisms used in making making antibiotics, that is bacteria and fungi. What is antibiotics? In the keywords it is given, you can see and write. And differentiate between the following pairs, algae and fungi. Page number 21, algae and fungi, both of these are there. So what I have underlined, you can write those. You have to make points. You can make 2 points and write fungi. These are group of diverse organisms that feed on decaying matter. They are like plants but do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot carry out process of photosynthesis. Algae, these are groups of simple plants, though they don't have any root and shoot system, but they have chlorophyll, so they carry out photosynthesis. So this one is your G number 1. You can write the difference. G number 2, bacteria and virus, that also page number 20 and 21. So bacteria, here you can see these are the oldest microorganisms. They are unicellular and exist everywhere. A virus, you can write these are the tiniest microorganism. They can multiply and grow only inside the cells of another living organism. Here also you can make 2 points and write. Our antibiotics and vaccines, page number 23. So antibiotics, the medicine that destroy disease causing microbes are known as antibiotics. A vaccine is a preparation of killed or weakened disease causing microbes. Only 1 point. It is pathogens and carriers. Page number 24. Pathogens, microbes which cause disease in other living organisms including humans are known as pathogens. And carriers, there are other diseases which get transmitted from an infected to a healthy person through carriers of microbes such as mosquitoes and houseflies. H number 1, define microorganisms. Number 3, fermentation. Number 5, pasteurization. And here also one I had told you, antibiotics keywords. You can see I had underlined in the keywords. So here antibiotics, fermentation, microorganisms, pasteurization, you can write from the keywords. So number 1, microorganisms, you can write from the keywords. Then what are the suitable conditions for the growth of microorganisms? Page number 25. See H number 2, the microbes start growing in the suitable conditions such as warm temperatures, moisture and air. This much. You can write from the keywords. Then write a short note on Edward Jenner, page number 23, number 4, question number 4. Write a short note on Edward Jenner, page number 23. From this paragraph you can write about Edward Jenner, page number 23. What is pasteurization? You can write from keywords. Then next question number 6. How do pathogen enters the body of a healthy person? Page number 24. Page number 24. Here you see first paragraph, second line. Pathogens are present in air, water and food. They can enter. They can enter. That here you have to write instead of these words. They can enter by direct physical contact with an infected person through air, water, food or contact. This much. So this is your H number 6. H number 6 till this much. This is your H number 6 from here to here. Page number 25. What causes food spoilage? Number 7. What causes food spoilage? Page number 25. First line, growth of microorganisms. Growth of microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria are responsible for the spoilage of various foodstuffs. This much. H number 7. H number 8. What causes food poisoning? This is also in page number 25. Here. Microbes produce toxic substances which make the food unfit for consumption and may cause serious illness due to food poisoning. So from here you have to add one microbes, then produce toxic substances from here to here. 9. What do you understand by food preservation? This is also in page number 25. The process of treating food materials to preserve them for longer time is called food preservation. The process of treating food materials to preserve them for longer time is called food preservation. So now in your note copy, note down all these short questions and question answer. Next class I will upload long question and hot question.